Hi there everyone, and welcome back to BRM Driving School. So good news, theory test and practical test centres will be reopening soon. So I know a lot of you are going to be looking forward to booking your theory test and your practical test, some of you for the first time. But I just want to make you aware of some of the potential scams that are out there and how to avoid them. One thing I will make clear on this video is what these companies are doing is actually legal. There's nothing legally wrong with what they're doing, because I think they are providing a service technically, but I'm not 100% sure on these sort of things. So in booking your theory test, you should be booking it through gov.uk, but for some people that have never done it before, they're a bit unsure how to do it, so they go onto Google and they type in book theory test and they press enter. And what people tend to do on Google is they tend to click on the first link that they see, but as you can see here, the first couple of links are all adverts. These go to websites where if you book your driving test through them, you could be paying potentially double what you would be for your theory test. Whereas if I just scroll down just a tiny bit here, you can see there's a gov.uk link here. Click on that and go onto that page. And if you just scroll down just a tiny bit, before you even entered any details, it says there, black and white, your theory test is £23. You should be paying no more than that for your theory test, and if you're doing your practical test, it should be no more than £62 plus whatever your instructor's hourly fees are. So yeah, don't be fooled into paying more money than what you have to, because if I go onto this page here, I've already entered some details. It's all fake details, but thumbs up to those who do get the reference. And if I just scroll down, just go onto the payment page, as you can see here on this website in particular, they're wanting to charge £43 for your theory test. So that's almost double what you would pay if you were doing it through gov.uk. But as I said, what they're doing is legal. There's nothing legally wrong with what they're doing. If I go onto this other website here, they're charging £45. They do say that they give you some theory material, but again, you should be paying nowhere near that. If you book through gov.uk, the £23 and you got the materials yourself, you'd be paying nowhere near £45 for this. So these are potential things just to watch out for. If you're unsure how to book your theory test, do speak to your instructor. They will tell you it's gov.uk. Don't do any other websites other than gov.uk. You will be paying through the roof for it, because £23 gov.uk, these two 43, 45. If you fail your first theory test and you rebook again through gov.uk, that's only just a tiny bit more expensive than having one attempt on either of these websites. 23 plus 23 is 46, so yeah, £1 and £3 more expensive having two goes than having one go through those. So yeah, so yeah, just speak to your instructor if you're unsure, but book through gov.uk. You'll be saving yourself a lot of money by doing it that way. So hopefully this video has been quite helpful to you, and if you are doing your theory or your practical test for the first time or second time or whatever attempt it may be, I wish you the best of luck. But if you like what you saw in the video, hit like, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below. If you do all those things, it does something to the YouTube algorithm, and more people will end up seeing this video, and more people will be saving money on their pocket. Share amongst your friends, so they don't get scammed as well. And if you do want a lesson with me, I'll leave a link to my Facebook page in the description down below. Just message me on there and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But that'll be all for this video, and we'll see you all next time.